Welcome to our YouTube channel Ramayana Public School Ganapura. Before we'll start, let me request you that subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you may get the latest notifications of our upcoming videos. Now our topic is quadratic equations. As you know, you have studied quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is that polynomial in which the highest power of the variables, that is degree of the polynomial is 2. The polynomial having degree 2, that is known as the quadratic polynomial. For example, 3x raised to power 2 plus 6x plus 9. In this polynomial, highest power of the variables is 2. So this is known as the quadratic polynomial. If we place the sign of equality between the terms of the quadratic polynomial, it becomes the quadratic equation. Because simply quadratic equation is the quadratic polynomial which contains the sign of equality between the terms. The quadratic polynomial which contains the sign of equality between the terms is known as the quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. This is known as the general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation, or we may call it as standard form of the quadratic equation. Standard form means, standard form is that form when we write the terms of the quadratic equation in the descending order of their degrees. That is known as the standard form of the quadratic equation. For example, 6x square plus 7x plus 9 equals 0. 6x square plus 7x plus 9x. This is the quadratic polynomial and it contains the sign of equality between the terms. So we may call it as it is the quadratic equation. So guys, quadratic equation simply is the quadratic polynomial which contains the sign of equality between the terms.